So guys, we made it to the beach. Finally. It's a beautiful day, guys. Beautiful day. Clear water. Look at this, guys. So nice. You can see there's a lot of sargassum on the beach, right here by Public Beach. Very rough and windy. We have this seaweed on the grass, you can see it all along. Everywhere. There's lots of it, everywhere. Busy day. Here it's a Sunday. Public Beach. People are off, enjoying the water. What the hell is this? It's like a fallen tree. A palm tree or something. But yeah, a lot of very windy and rough. Very overcast too. You recognize this guy? Muy Forte. My friend, say hello. You going to the water?
Watch this! Boom shot!
Oh my god. Look at him go. Very buoyant, that fella. Very buoyant. Anyways, guys, hope you're having a lovely Sunday. There he goes. There he goes. Mr. Damien Callow, my Kenyan friend. We're here in 7 Mile Public Beach, 7 Mile Beach. It's always busy on the Sundays. People love to come here and relax and enjoy a relaxing Sunday. Now, granted, it's quite windy and overcast, but still a lot of people. They have these cabanas here for you to use, which is nice. Relax, but a lot of people come here to have birthday celebrations, to enjoy. So normally when we have cruise ships in port, a lot of cruise ship guests, they would come here. They have a lot of chairs set up for everybody. Now you see there's some chairs way back there. They have some of the chairs, but no longer set them out because they, I guess, in the cruise ships purchase them. But this area is where you come generally from the cruise ship. Because there used to be Calico Jack's restaurant right over there, where it's where they get food and drinks. But now it's closed, so now it's just locals obviously who come here to enjoy the facilities. They have this how do you say it, like a mobile path for people in wheelchairs to access the beach and the water, which is very nice. But yeah, we're having a nice day. It's a little very overcast and windy, and the waves are a little rough, as you can see. It's bringing a lot of this sargassum and seaweed. You can see all the way up the coast. So I don't think I'm going in the water today. It's very rough and very breezy, so but it's a lovely day. Hopefully everybody's enjoying their Sunday. We are too. My friend Damien is swimming somewhere. He's coming back. I think he's over there. Hey, bro. Welcome to Grand Cayman, everybody. Albeit a very windy day here in overcast. Yeah, you did good, man.
Man, it's good exercise for the hands, man. The hands and the legs,
But
man.
too wavy.
Yeah, too wavy, man.
Too wavy.
Man.
Good job. Excuse you, my friend.
Excuse you.
Useless guy.
I love to walk in.
Yeah, you should, man. It's too good. So we're here in Public Beach. You know, you can play volleyball here. They got volleyball nets, soccer nets. It's a popular day on Sunday, that's for sure. As you know, all these cabanas here are full. Good place to come, but we generally like to come here during the weekdays. Weekends it gets a little busy. As you can see, a lot of people are celebrating birthdays or other celebratory occasions. But yeah, today's very windy, overcast, as you can see. Kimpton Hotel is right in front. But yeah, it's a very busy day on Sunday. A lot of locals come here to relax, to enjoy. Yeah, a lot of people here enjoying their time. Cheers from Grand Cayman. We're drinking Damien's favorite Red Stripe. Cheers, my friend. Cheers. Say hi to the camera, my friend.
Hello, how are you?
Where are we, my friend? Where are we?
Calico. Former Calico.
Yes, we're in Public Beach. It's a busy Sunday, as you can see. You can hear music, people out and about, you know, celebrating whatever. But we're here with this useless guy behind us. Oh yeah. But anyways,
Oh yeah.
a lovely day here. It's quite overcast, windy, but you know, it's another day. Another day in Cayman.
Welcome to Cayman.
Brewed in Jamaica, finest. Yes, sir. Cue the wing. Very windy day here and rough. A lot of seaweed on the shore. A busy Sunday afternoon in Grand Cayman. We've had a lovely weekend. Hopefully everybody's having a nice weekend too. Cheers. Belican, beer Belize. Thank you, who gave this to me? After Shamir. What a beautiful day on South Mall Beach, guys. What a beautiful day.